shit off. I ain't got that much time. What's up, y'all? Y'all all right? I left my little boy in the car. I'm finna hurry up with this shit. He is the Arby's. He all right. I told the lady, give him some fries. He'll lay down. That's black people's favorite shit. Lay down. What the fuck wrong with you? Your neck could be hanging off. One little piece of meat. Go in there and take a wash up and lay down. But you get that